The Swoosh is back. Hi guys and girls, thank you so much for watching my crazy vlogs. Get the message across. This message I've touched upon before, the importance of a second system. It is so important to get a second system as soon as possible. The story with me is why my auditor thinks I'm crazy, right? But why I don't say get two systems straight away to especially to newbies, yeah, that come over, people that from other companies that have got used to hair systems, then yeah, ordering two is great. The reason I don't do it is something that happened to me. Even though everyone that comes in gets the top product off us, yeah, with the top bases, top design, etc. Going back in the day for me, I committed where I went to that expensive place, but all credit to them, they put me into a hair system and I wouldn't be here now if they didn't, you know, so I can't knock them too much. But I went and bought two systems for, it's 2,500 quid after paying 1,700 quid initially. And this new product came out and it wasn't a new product, right? It was just a sales cycle. So I was sat in the waiting room and I was seeing these guys walk past with better than I had on the head, you know, and I committed to two systems. So this is way back, so I think I'm scarred with that. But please don't read into that, everybody, right? You come in, you get the best product designed for you. But when it's new people going for it for the first time, look, I can't be your psychologist in this, yeah? I can support you or we can support you, but you've got to go out and face the world. We can make it look fantastic, but you still got to walk into work and so forth, right? So you shouldn't really be held accountable if for any reason that you can't do this, yeah? So on that basis, even though the success rate is so high of people just going for it and then staying in hair systems, on that basis I say I order one system. Generally it's a lighter density for the people that initially go ahead, and you know, it's got to be 50% of the people that come and reorder pretty soon always want a little bit more, so they've got used to it, a subtle change, and then they increase it and they get more flamboyant, you know. So so I base that on just customer, really, because I know from my experience they, you know, may increase it, may have highlights like me, and you know, go around with a multicolored hair system like I do, and you know, just grow into the idea of hair systems. So but when you're committed, when you get a hair system, when it arrives in the first 4 or 5 weeks, it makes sense to reorder. And the sooner you reorder, the sooner you can alternate the systems, which is a benefit, you know. Alternating systems does help everything. If you're doing it at home, speeds up the cleanup because you can have one ready. You can leave the conditioner on one system longer. That gives it a nice coating for when you wear it again. Or if you're coming back to HQ, we take care of that. It's a faster regroom. Then we remove the system and we coat it, yeah, with a conditioner for longer, so it gets more healthy and it's more, you know, fresher when you return and have that on. So many reasons why you should have two systems, but I don't push people to do that initially. I think they should have one and then develop into the next one. But as soon as it's like, hey, I love it, get another one ordered, okay? So there's my vlog for today. Have a good day, guys, and I'll speak to you next week. Actually, I'm doing 2 a week at the moment, so I'll speak to you in a couple of days. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.